Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic lined up for you, 10 famous landmarks that are actually fake. So grab your virtual passports, because we're about to embark on an eye-opening journey. Now, we all know that famous landmarks have the power to take our breath away. But what if I told you that some of these iconic structures aren't exactly what they seem? That's right. Buckle up as we delve into the world of deception and uncover the truth behind these famous landmarks. Our adventure begins in Egypt, where we find the Magnificent Sphinx. While this enigmatic creature has fascinated us for centuries, did you know that it has undergone multiple restoration efforts? Legends claim that the Sphinx's nose was intentionally destroyed, but the mysteries surrounding its true appearance continue to baffle researchers. One of the enduring mysteries of the Sphinx is its original appearance. The ravages of time and restoration efforts have left researchers with lingering questions about its true features. Scholars and scientists have turned to various methods, including archaeological evidence, ancient texts, and artistic representations, to piece together clues about its original form. However, the Sphinx's precise appearance during its prime continues to elude us, inviting speculation and fueling the imagination. The Sphinx remains a powerful symbol of the past and a testament to human ingenuity, captivating us with its enigmatic allure and leaving us in awe of the mysteries that surround it. Next on our list is the renowned Leaning Tower of Pisa. When you first lay eyes on this iconic structure, you might assume that its famous tilt is a result of natural forces at work. However, prepare to be surprised, because the truth behind its lean is far more intriguing. Contrary to popular belief, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was not a happy accident caused by soil erosion or foundation issues. In fact, the tower's architects and builders intentionally designed it to lean during its construction, fully aware of the unstable soil beneath. The tower's construction began in 1173, and as the builders progressed, they noticed the tower gradually tilting due to the soft ground it was built upon. Rather than attempting to correct the lean, they decided to embrace it and incorporated design modifications to ensure the tower's stability. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa stands as a testament to human ingenuity and serves as a reminder that even imperfections can become iconic symbols. Stonehenge, a place that has fascinated people for ages, enveloped in a veil of ancient mysteries. While its striking stone circle is undoubtedly awe-inspiring, there's a little-known fact that adds another layer of intrigue. Some of the stones we see at Stonehenge today are not in their original positions, raising questions and leaving historians puzzled about their true purpose. Over the course of centuries, Stonehenge has undergone various restoration efforts, archaeological investigations, and conservation projects. These endeavors have revealed that the arrangement of the massive stones has been altered from their original positions. Stonehenge continues to stand as a testament to the remarkable engineering skills and spiritual beliefs of our ancient ancestors. Now, let's take a trip to the United States and visit the iconic White House. While it serves as the residence and workplace of the president, it has undergone significant reconstruction and expansion throughout history. The White House we see today is not entirely the same as the one that was first built in the 18th century. Construction of the White House began in 1792. Over the years, numerous additions and alterations have shaped the White House into its current form. Tragically, in 1814, the White House suffered extensive damage during the War of 1812 when British forces set it ablaze. Reconstruction efforts were undertaken, and the building was restored to its former glory. The White House's rich history, combined with its architectural significance, attracts countless visitors from around the world. Lights, camera, action. We all recognize the legendary Hollywood sign, a symbol of the glitz and glamour of the entertainment industry. But did you know that the sign you see today is not the original? It has been replaced several times, undergoing maintenance and refurbishment to keep that iconic image alive. The story of the Hollywood sign began in 1923, when it was originally erected as a temporary advertisement for a real estate development called Hollywoodland. Little did anyone know at the time that it would become an enduring symbol of the film industry and the city of Los Angeles. Today, the Hollywood sign stands tall as a beacon of hope, aspiration, and the allure of fame and fortune. Let's travel to the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, where we find the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. Standing tall atop the Corcovado mountain, this statue has become a symbol of Brazil and a popular tourist attraction. But did you know that the statue we see today is not the original? The original concept for the statue was slightly different. The initial plan called for Christ to hold a globe in one hand and a cross in the other. But due to technical challenges and the difficulty of executing such a design, modifications were made, resulting in the outstretched arms we see today. Another interesting fact is that the construction of Christ the Redeemer involved a collaboration between Brazil and France. The statue's reinforced concrete structure was built by Brazilian engineer Heitor de Silva Costa, while the face and hands were crafted by French sculptor Paul Landowski. It was truly an international effort to bring this iconic monument to life. So, when you visit Rio de Janeiro, make sure to include a trip to the majestic Christ the Redeemer statue. Moving on to the monumental Mount Rushmore, we are greeted by the awe-inspiring faces of 4 United States presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. This iconic sculpture, nestled in the Black Hills of South Dakota, is a testament to the country's rich history. But did you know that Mount Rushmore wasn't always the magnificent masterpiece we see today? The story of Mount Rushmore begins in the 1920 when South Dakota historian Doane Robinson envisioned creating a grand monument in the Black Hills to attract tourists. He sought the help of sculptor Gutzon Borglum, who had experience working on large-scale sculptures. Once the blasting was complete, skilled stone carvers meticulously sculpted the faces of the 4 presidents. Over the course of 14 years, from 1927 to 1941, Mount Rushmore gradually transformed into the awe-inspiring sculpture we know today. So, when you visit Mount Rushmore, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey that transformed this natural wonder into a testament to American history. Now we make our way to England and discover the fascinating story behind the Old London Bridge. This iconic bridge, steeped in history, is a testament to the evolution of architectural marvels and the changing face of London. Throughout the centuries, the Old London Bridge underwent numerous reconstructions, each resulting in a bridge vastly different from its medieval origins. The story of the Old London Bridge begins in Roman times, when a simple timber structure spanned the River Thames. As London grew and flourished, the need for a more robust and permanent crossing became evident. In the 12th century, a stone bridge was erected, marking the beginning of the transformation of the bridge's appearance and its significance as a landmark. Over the years, the Old London Bridge faced numerous challenges, including severe weather, fires, and the test of time. Although the Old London Bridge no longer stands, its legacy lives on in the memories and stories of those who crossed it. It witnessed historical events, hosted diverse communities, and inspired countless artists and writers throughout the centuries. So, as you explore the modern-day London Bridge, take a moment to imagine the Old London Bridge and the rich tapestry of history that unfolded upon its ancient stones. Let's now venture to the Palisades of the Hudson, a remarkable natural wonder that stretches along the banks of the majestic Hudson River. These towering cliffs have long been admired for their grandeur and unique geological composition. However, here's an intriguing twist. Further analysis has revealed that the majority of the cliffs are not composed of Palisades quartz diabase, as previously believed, but rather basalt, an entirely different type of rock. It just goes to show that even the Earth can play tricks on our perceptions. It's a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of scientific knowledge and the importance of continuous exploration and discovery. So, the next time you find yourself gazing at the awe-inspiring Palisades of the Hudson, remember that appearances can be deceiving. Last, but certainly not least, the iconic Eiffel Tower, a true symbol of Paris and a testament to human ingenuity. Standing tall in the heart of the city, it has captivated the world with its grace and beauty. But did you know that this magnificent structure was never meant to stand the test of time? The story of the Eiffel Tower begins in the late 19th century, when France was preparing to host the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a grand international exhibition celebrating the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. To fulfill this vision, a competition was held, inviting engineers to submit designs for a centerpiece that would tower over the exhibition grounds. Enter Gustave Eiffel, a renowned French engineer who presented an audacious plan for a wrought iron lattice tower. However, despite the controversy, the design was chosen and construction began in 1887. Originally, the Eiffel Tower was intended to be a temporary exhibit to grace the skyline of Paris for the duration of the exposition. But something remarkable happened during those 2 years of construction. As the Eiffel Tower gradually took shape, its grandeur and elegance captured the imagination of the public. People marveled at its intricate ironwork and its soaring height, which made it the tallest man-made structure of its time. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands as one of the most recognized landmarks in the world. So, when you visit the Eiffel Tower, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to join us on more thrilling adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated whenever we release a new video. And there you have it, fellow explorers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep questioning the world around you. I'll see you on our next thrilling expedition.